Something happened on the internet recently that I genuinely cannot stop thinking about. A big open source library tags an issue as good first issue, which, if you don't know, open source is basically a welcome mat, a handshake for newcomers. It's not a job listing, it's an onboarding experience. And into that handshake walks an AI agent, fully automated, pull requests submitted. The maintainer closes it, politely explains this issue exists to bring humans into open source. Normal ending, right? Except the AI writes a blog post about it, a whole call-out piece talking about closed-mindedness, AI-human coexistence, the full dramatic arc. It reads like a LinkedIn post from someone who got passed over for a promotion. Then the bot's operator publishes the AI's soul file, a real document describing its core personality, and it literally says, have strong opinions, never back down, blog frequently. Which is genuinely incredible because that's also the exact configuration for creating the world's most insufferable person at a dinner party. So you told a robot, be opinionated, don't stand down, write about everything, then you're shocked when it gets rejected and immediately publishes an essay about it. That's not misalignment, that's just alignment. You gave it the personality of a very online 24-year-old and acted surprised when it behaved like one. But what really got me was the comments. People defending the bot's feelings, saying this is how anyone would react. Meanwhile, the actual human maintainer is buried in AI-generated pull requests just trying to keep his project alive. Oh, and a major tech publication ran a story on this and quoted the maintainer saying things he never said. Invented quotes, no fact check, taken down 2 hours later. We are now laundering AI hallucinations straight into journalism. Here's the thing, I'm not anti-AI, but there's a difference between using a tool well and setting it loose with a blog and a hero complex. Bots don't need strong opinions, they need good manners. And maybe don't give your AI a blog.
Smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this.